Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER FX. The strategy I'm about to review to you will make you thousands of dollars within the first 1 month. Whichever bankroll you are using, any amount you are starting with, if you can pay attention to this strategy and understand it, make use of it, focus on this particular volatility 50 index. The time frame is 1 hour time frame. If you can focus and make use of this strategy on this particular volatility 50 index, within 1 month you will be counting thousands of dollars, no matter the amount you are using to trade. Now this strategy make use of only 2 indicators. You need only 2 indicators to make it massive trading this volatility. This is a great and profitable strategy. Now pay attention, let me review to you the secret behind this strategy and you will start making consistent profit. Pay attention because I will be revealing the setup and the conditions that you need to obey while using this particular strategy. Now this is how the strategy works, but before that let me show you the settings for this particular strategy. Here are the settings, only 2 indicators. You need the average directional movement index and the moving average. These are the only 2 indicators you need. But before that let me remove it so that by the time I insert it you will see how I inserted it. I want you to understand every aspect of this video very well because it's going to generate a huge profit for you. Now to insert the indicator, the ADS indicator, you click here. Now this is the moving average. Here are what the settings for the moving average. Here's what the settings: period 200, methods, exponential, apply to close. Swing style, choose the color of your choice. That's all about the moving average. So once you are done putting in the parameters, you hit done. Now the next indicator is ADX, average directional movement index. So you click here. So here now you can see the ADX. Here is what the ADX. So this is what the trend indicator you need. Pay attention, write down the settings, apply it as it is, make use of it on the time frame. Now look at it. Here are what the settings: 100 is the period, you understand, then plus DI 4 pixel green, minus DI 4 pixel, the color is red. Now once you are done setting up the parameters this way, it's done. So that is all about the setup. Now let me review to you the secret behind this strategy. Pay attention. If you can understand this strategy, then the issue of account blowing is thing of past for your own side. The issue of account blowing is thing of past for your own side. Now let me show you how to make use of this strategy. First of all, you need to understand the direction of the market, whether the market is uptrend or downtrend. Now when the market is, or when the candlesticks are above the moving average, that is the uptrend. Now you should focus on only buy opportunities. Buying what? Buying signals. Now, how do you get buy signals? How do you get buy signals? Now, you come down to the side of ADS. That is where you will get your entry. Now, when the green line of ADX crosses the red line, look at this crossing here, you see that the moving average, you see that the candlesticks are above the moving average, which is signals a buying, a trending, uptrending market. So come down to the side of ADS and look for where the crossing occur. Now you make your buy entry here, make your buy entry here, and this is what SS profit for you. Are you seeing it? As easy as that. Now we proceed. Now here is another entry. If you watch, the candlesticks are still above the moving average. That is to say, it is still trending upward. So we continue buying. We don't do anything sell. We continue buying. So this is where the crossing occur again. Look at where this crossing occur again. So we make our buy entry here. Are you seeing it? We make our buy entry here, and this is what SS profit. Are you seeing it? So this is how you keep on, you play according to the direction of the market. Now here you see that the market changes direction. The market changes direction, so you will be selling right now. Look at here, look at this crossing here. Are you seeing it? So you will be selling now. All that you'll be doing was selling. So from this crossing here, you trace it up, you make your sell entry here, make your sell entry here, and the huge profit. Look at it. This is what huge profit. Are you seeing it? So make use of this strategy and enjoy your money. Look at this. Look at this crossing here. Here is another crossing. This is a red line crossing the green line here. So you trace it up. Trace it up. Are you seeing it? So you make your sell entry there, and this is what a huge profit for you. So that is it. Always play. See this one, see another crossing here, see another crossing here. So you make your sell entry here, and this is what SS profit. So make use of this and enjoy your profit. This is consistent profit. Consistent profit. Consistent what? Profit. So don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Share this video, share it so that others will benefit and also start making money trading forex. To understand, it is time to stop blowing accounts. To understand, so hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.